So we have the chakras here, right, or the sephirot. And above, we have, outside of the body, we have three centers. These are not called sephirot, right? Not centers. This is the ayin, right, or the divine spark, also known as the divine spark, also known as the spirit. Oh, and in Kabbalah, it's called ayin, which means no, nothing, right? Then you have, it is also correspondent in the Trinity to the Father, right? It is also in the Christian tradition, it's correspondent to the Father, to the Holy Trinity. Then in the Hindu tradition, it corresponds to Lord Shiva, the destroyer, right? Why the destroyer? It's creative destruction. It's the will, right? Willpower. To create, you need the will to create. Also, sometimes when you're learning something new, you destroy your old ideas and learn new ideas. When you have a moment of understanding, oh, I was wrong. I thought it was like this, and it's greater, it's bigger, it's this. So you have this moment of realization, you destroy what you knew to create anew, to something better. So that's what in the Hindu tradition, the destroyer means, right? So destroy to create destruction, but this has to do with willpower. You can have all the love in the world, all the smarts in the world, the intelligence in the world, the money in the world, but if you don't have the willpower to use it, it will not get used. Nothing will happen. So first and foremost, right, that's why the Father wills to create. That's why it is the Father. It's also known as willpower, divine will. Then over here you have below, it pulls a portion of itself downward, right? Ayin pulls a portion of itself down to create Ayin Sof. Ayin Sof means limit, right? And Ayin means no, so no limit, limitless, eternal, right? Or infinite is Ayin Sof. That's what it means, infinite. Infinite what? Well, this infinite, also known as the higher soul, or the Son, or divine love, or in the Trinity, the Christian Trinity is the Son, right? Father and Son, and Holy Spirit. So the Son aspect here is also Vishnu in the Hindu tradition, because it's the preservator, the one that preserves the creation. It's all about love, preserving, maintaining, providence. And then this is the source of the last one, which is called Ein Sof Ur, infinite light. Ein Sof, infinite, Ur, light, right? So that's why sometimes Master Choa Kok says Ein Sof, infinite source. Infinite source of what? Of infinite light. Pulls a portion of itself downward, creates the incarnated soul. The incarnated soul creates the entire physical body and all the other bodies, the lower vehicles, right? So that's why this is called the Holy Spirit. And like the scriptures say, the Holy Spirit, the Lord Creator of life, who proceeds from the Father and the Son. Within the Father and the Son has been worshipped and glorified. It's spoken through the prophets. Oh, this from the Creed. Right? This straight from the Creed of the Catholic. So, so it proceeds from the Father and the Son. That's how the Holy Spirit proceeds from. I'm telling you right there. I'm not making it up, right?
Yeah, that's the Orthodox creed too.
Yeah.
Just like that. I remember it from me.
Yeah. So this is what happens, right? So then you have the Father, Son, Holy Spirit. So these three also, and then the Holy Spirit is also the Creator. Why? He's the one that Christ incarnates through the Holy Spirit. Just creation. It has to do with creation. All of this is created by the incarnated soul. So also in the Bible, it's called, spirit, the soul, and the flesh. Why the flesh? Is because when you incarnated soul, Incarnate means in the meat, in the flesh. Incarnate, like inside the flesh. That's why it's called incarnated soul. Sometimes this is what we understand. So the incarnated soul is not purified, as Master Choa spoke and the author spoke in the previous chapters, but the higher soul is pure. And so we're in the process of purifying our incarnated